I don't know how the audio is gonna do in here, but we're gonna try it. Hello, friends! I just wanted to jump on here for a second and say welcome to my new office. It's still being put together, so I don't plan on filming a lot of videos in here at the moment, but it's looking very nice and I'm very happy with it. So, Huion sent me this fancy Kamvas Pro 20. Very exciting, so I figured I'd take a second and talk about it. They're not paying me for this video. They just sent me a free canvas. It has become Phoenix's second face. So I know quite a few people who also use Huion tablets, and I feel like my setup experience was a slight bit different than theirs, because for most people they just kind of plug it in and then calibrate the screen and they're good to go. However, it took me a solid hour to set this up because I didn't realize that I had the wrong settings on my computer. If you are running the Mojave operating system on a Mac, there are some specific things that you have to do in settings to get your tablet to work. But if you go to this URL, all of the instructions on the proper settings for your computer are right there. After I figured that out, it took like 2 minutes and I was ready to go. I don't know why the specific operating system does that, but that's how it is. I also had to buy an HDMI adapter because my laptop doesn't have an HDMI port. MacBooks, my dude. I'm surrounded by 3 dogs right now. This is what my dog is doing right now. He's a dork. Apart from the rocky start that I had with this device, I've been having a lot of fun with it. I think the main thing that I really like about Huion is that by comparison, they're a much more affordable tablet, especially considering how good quality the devices are. It came with quite a few things. So out of the box, this comes with a digital pen, a pen holder, replacement nibs, pen nib clip, power adapter, a power cable, an HDMI cable, a USB cable, a quick start guide, a glove, and a cleaning cloth. So, general pros and cons. I like the fact that you don't have to charge the stylus. This artist glove and this cleaning cloth are the nicest ones I've ever owned. It came with more replacement nibs than I will probably go through in a lifetime. I love the little donut stand they have for your pen, because you can lay it down in multiple ways. The adjustability is really nice. They do have another one of these that is slightly larger. I prefer this size because I feel like larger screens get kind of intimidating. And I also am a big fan of shortcut buttons. Some people don't like the shortcut buttons. I prefer them. The only 2 cons that I can think of for this device are that it took me forever to set up, and you can't program the buttons on the sides independently. They're actually mirrored, so these 2 buttons do the exact same thing, which really isn't that big of a deal, but it would be kind of nice to have the option. I am excited for 2019 and all the fun things that I'm going to get to do with this tablet. It also means that I'm going to have to start listing my hardware when I post my art, so I will try to do that. For now, those are all of my initial thoughts on this device. I'm gonna keep working with it and I'll keep you guys updated on like Twitter and things if I have any more general thoughts about this. For the most part, this device is still pretty new to me. I have so many plans for 2019. It's gonna be great. So now I'm gonna show you my dogs in the office. Okay, so right behind me we have a worm. Oh, hello, worm. How are you? This is Anna's greyhound. This is our row of dog beds that we have in the office where we keep all of our dogs. That's actually Ben's bed, but Worm's trying it out. This one is Nana's bed, because despite the fact that she is the smallest dog, she needs the most space. And then that one is Worm's bed. Oh, hi, Nana. And then that one over there is the brat that keeps making annoying noises. Ben! He ate my sock. And then over here we can have Hannah's space and the skateboard that I got from YouTube. And then over here is kind of my office space. I'm still working on it. Everything's kind of a mess, but it's getting there. Ben, there's so many beds. So many beds. Get a load of that dog. Yes, you're gonna be in the video. You don't have a choice.